What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel here. Oh my goodness. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all, today, guess what? I'm super excited. And I'm excited because y'all already know what time of the year it is. And soon to be Black Friday. Black Friday. Black Friday. Yes, and I have something special for my beautiful babes today. In fact, I've got some electrifying news that'll make your fitness journey amazing. Yes, well, you know your girl has been on her grind for sure. And I am excited to share with y'all today something that has made my journey a whole lot easier. And we are getting into it like right now. But I want you to buckle up, sit, stay, take a look at what I have to offer you, because I do have an exclusive deal for all of my beautiful babes out there today on something that I have been wanting for so long, and it's going to be mind-blowing for you. That's going to help you in your fitness journey as well. So let's get started. I don't want to delay this any longer. Come on in. If you're tired of the gym hassle or not into heavy strength equipment, I've got the perfect solution for you. I know daily responsibilities can be draining, and finding time for the gym can feel like a never-ending task. But fear not, because today I'm introducing you to the G1S Plus. And trust me, it's about to make your fitness journey a whole lot easier. We all know fitting in gym visits with our busy schedules can be tough. It's time-consuming, and sometimes we end up skipping workouts, which can impact our overall well-being. But here's the game changer, the G1S Plus. Beautiful babes, with this incredible bike, you have the freedom to cast your monitor whenever it suits you. Exercise become effortless and enjoyable, all without breaking the bank. So say goodbye to gym commutes and hello to convenient, effective workouts. Now, let me tell you why I'm absolutely in love with the Yesoul G1 Screen Bike. This beauty offers an immersive fitness experience with its high-definition display. The 360-degree rotation function lets me achieve freehand training at different positions, and the adjustable screen suits users for all heights. But y'all, the real magic happens with the Yesoul app, a 24-inch HD screen, live and on-demand lessons, and real-time data interaction. It's like having a personal coach right here with me in my home gym. Yeah, right. Home gym. You know, just in my family room here. But you know, girl, we can imagine, right? This is the experience it gives me. Listen, no more worries about noisy workouts either. The silent magnetic resistance and belt drive makes every session peaceful, and with 100 manual resistance levels, is perfect for everyone. Plus, that light aluminum ring flywheel handles high-intensity movements like a dream. The stable frame structure is also a game changer. The H-shaped base and triangular design keep it rock solid, even during intense rides. It's crafted with commercial-grade steel with a wear-resistant finish. It's durable and long-lasting. And let's talk comfort, y'all. The competition-style seat and easy grip support handles make every ride smooth and enjoyable, no matter your fitness level. When I first got on it, y'all, I thought this seat was going to kill me. It was quite different at first, but after a few rides, I got used to it. You get used to it. It is no problem. I thought I was going to have to buy me some cushion, but baby, it's all good. And let me tell you this also. Worried about after sales? Don't be. Yesoul's got your back with a full refund or replacement for the first month and a 12-month limited parts and labor warranty. Yes, indeed. So, beautiful babes, it's time to elevate your fitness journey with a transformative Yesoul G1 Screen Bike. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this sleek addition to your home gym is a total game changer. I love it. And you saw it earlier. Yes. Wait a minute. There's more. You saw it earlier. I've partnered with Yesoul to bring you an exclusive Black Friday deal. Use my coupon code SWEETANGEL. I said Sweet Angel to unlock a $100 discount on your purchase. Can you believe it? Yeah, believe it. It's true. An exclusive $100 discount. Use code SWEETANGEL. Ready to kickstart your fitness adventure? You got everything you need right here. And I did mention to y'all, listen, if you want to take your fitness journey to the next level, check out the KOL live streaming cable. Perfect for streaming your workouts live. Find the link in the description, y'all. Everything is down below. So, beautiful babes, are you ready to transform your fitness journey? Hey, click the link in the description box and make sure you use my coupon code. Hey, let's make fitness easy and enjoyable together. I'm talking about you and me, okay? Thanks for coming to hang out with me, beautiful babes. And now you know all about my new fitness journey with my G1 Plus bike from Yesoul. In the meantime and in between time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right here on this channel. And you'll have more fitness goodies coming along because your girl is in it to win it. I'm telling you, I am in it to win it. And I want you along with me too. Until next time, beautiful babes, that's it, that's all. I'll see you on the next one. And make sure you do me a favor. Please share me with your world. Toodles.